Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. On today's video we'll be looking at the new Ebutte Metta Road construction that is going on currently, and this is the major road that link Ebutte Metta Oyingbo to the Red Line train terminal that was currently built at Oyingbo. On today's video I'll be showing you this road construction we started a few months back. Though my last time I had a visit in this arena, this road was a no-go area. It was totally bad and disastrous. Anyways, after a very long time of coming to this area, I made my way back to this venue and I was very surprised at what I saw. The road has been constructed almost to the ending, and also some properties that were demolished has already been fenced, and you will barely know that such things really happen in this area. The road went through expansion which led to people losing their properties and also houses. Anyways, join me on today's video as I show you guys the beautiful road construction that is going on currently at Ebutte Metta. My name is Emmanuel Bernard. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also watch to the end because there's a lot you're definitely going to learn in this video. Let's dive into the video right away. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll be showing you guys the new road construction along Ijero and the which is beside Tinubu complex in Lagos, Ebutte Metta to be precise. This road has been going through construction a few days back after it was very demolished due to some flooding and excesses of the road. So I'll be showing you guys the construction update of this road. Obviously, as you can see on this video, half of the road has been done and the rest of the road is still not yet done, almost abandoned, because there are no tractors here doing the job. And this is how it looks like now, as you can see. While the construction of this road was going on, a lot of buildings were affected. A lot of them were demolished. Some it only affected their fences, while some the main building was affected. These are the reasons, because most of these people build their house close to the ways, the drainage, and for that reason this road could not be expanded in long-term due. And now when the government wants to expand this road, they have no choice than to demolish some of the buildings just to get more land to work on. On today's video, we are currently at Costain, and this is the link bridge between Costain, Akongo, and CMS. So without passing this bridge, you are unlikely to get to CMS Marina. So this also links the Akongo to Costain, and this is the bridge. This bridge has been terrible few days back due to some old or it's not really good anyways. The bridge wasn't strong anymore, so they need to work on it to rehabilitate this bridge to make it stronger and also serve better. So this bridge has been going through some construction, and I'm today on the construction site to show you guys what is really going on. Though the bridge has been closed, so for you to get to the island now, you need to pass through Ajegunle boundary and maybe take the other route, that's Oyimbo, to cross to Ebutte Metta. So this is the Akongo bridge, and this has caused a lot of traffic here. I'll be showing you guys this bridge and what it looks like. Stick to me.